everybody, it's Miss Courtney from Heritage Community Initiatives. I'm here today to say hi to all my Steelers and Explorers. Today, I'm going to show you how to make folded hand puppets. This morning, Kemper and I made this one. But with you guys, I'm going to make a duck. So, for the project, all you need is a piece of construction paper, a glue stick, some crayons, scissors, and some scrap paper. The first thing you have to do is you have to fold your paper long ways into thirds. Thirds means that you have to have 3 folds the same size. See? And then you're going to flip it over so the folded side is going to be down. Then you're going to fold it in half. And then you fold that top piece backwards. And then you're going to turn it over and make another side. And you should have 2 little pockets. One up here and one down here. And you're going to, that way you have the head of your puppet. You hear my kitty cat? That's Noodle. She wants in. And then, so with your head of your puppet, you can then take your scrap paper and make pieces of it. I think I'm going to make duck bill, which is the mouth. I already pre-cut them. So, I remember that my duck bill has usually like a little line going around their bill. Real light one. And they have their nostrils are on top of their beak. Now this activity is really great for the big kids, like in my Steeler classroom, my Miss Carol Steeler classroom. And they can help their younger brothers and sisters or cousins, whoever you're hanging out with during this family adventure. And then, look, but the duck has 2 pieces. I learned how to do this project whenever I was in 3rd grade, and my teacher, Mrs. Kunash, taught me. This was always our favorite indoor recess activity. See? I think my duck needs eyes. I pre-cut some circles. Now my alligator has stand-up eyes. That just means that you need to make your eyes have flat and you can fold them backwards. But this duck is for Kemper. So I'm going to make just plain circle eyes. Give him a little pupil. And I'll glue them on. Looks a little funny. That's okay. Kemper has been wanting to do a puppet show all the time. It's our new favorite thing right now is doing puppet shows. He looked a little too alligatory. Give him bigger pupils. And there's my duck. So you just pop your fingers in there. Quack, 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 quack. And then you can. I used to make dogs. I was really good at making frogs. Because frogs are always an alligator without the teeth. Ribbit. No, it's not. So, and you have puppets. Ribbit. Quack, 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 quack. So, Miss Carol wanted me to tell you guys that she misses you. And I missed you very much. And we'll hope to see you guys really soon. Have a good day and stay safe. Bye-bye.